action cameras are entering a strange phase where hardware alone is no longer enough. Every brand is now racing towards smarter imaging, higher frame rates, and AI-assisted control. In that shift, the DJI Osmo Action 7 is already building attention as a potential late 2026 upgrade that could push the category further again. The biggest headline rumor is video capability. The Action 7 is expected to push up to 8K at 60 frames per second, which would represent a significant step forward in high-resolution action capture. Alongside this, 4K at 240 frames per second is also being discussed, targeting creators who depend on ultra-smooth slow-motion footage for sports, adventure, and cinematic content. Sensor design is another major talking point. The rumored 1x1.1-inch square sensor is not just about size, it's about workflow flexibility. By capturing a more balanced sensor area, creators could crop freely into vertical or horizontal formats without losing key detail. This directly reflects current content trends where creators publish across multiple platforms. Stabilization is expected to evolve into RockSteady 4.0 with predictive AI logic. Instead of only correcting shake after it occurs, the system would anticipate motion patterns in real time. This could significantly improve footage stability in unpredictable environments like biking, skiing, or fast handheld movement, where traditional stabilization often struggles with sudden directional changes. On the imaging side, rumors point toward up to 15 stops of dynamic range combined with improved AI noise reduction. This would especially benefit low-light shooting, potentially introducing a more refined super night-style mode optimized for motion-heavy nighttime scenes, rather than static captures. Battery life is also expected to improve modestly, with estimates ranging between 4 to 5 hours under optimized conditions. Instead of a major battery size increase, DJI is likely focusing on thermal efficiency and processor optimization to extend runtime without affecting the compact design. In terms of competition, GoPro remains strong in ecosystem maturity, but slower in major innovation cycles, while Insta360 continues pushing AI-heavy computational imaging with upcoming Ace Pro iterations. DJI's strategy with Action 7 appears more balanced, combining high-resolution capture, smart stabilization, and practical creator flexibility in a single system. Pricing is expected to stay competitive despite upgrades, with the standard combo likely around $349 and higher-tier bundles reaching $479 to $579 depending on accessories. Following DJI's established late-year release rhythm for its action camera lineup, Osmo Action 7 is currently expected to arrive in the October to November 2026 window. Thanks for watching. If these rumored upgrades become reality, the DJI Osmo Action 7 could quietly reshape expectations for compact action cameras with smarter stabilization, higher frame flexibility, and stronger low-light performance. But the real impact depends on execution. Would this be enough to upgrade, or is the competition already moving faster? Drop your thoughts below.